Welcome to the review of the GEEKOM GT1 Mega AI Mini PC, a powerful and compact solution for a variety of uses. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. This mini PC is packed with cutting-edge technology that delivers exceptional performance for a wide range of applications, making it an ideal choice for users who need a high-performance computer in a compact form factor. First, let's talk about the 14th Gen Intel Core Ultra 9 processor. With 16 cores and 22 threads, this processor is built for heavy workloads, with speeds reaching up to 5.1 GHz. This performance is made even more efficient with Intel's AI Boost, allowing the PC to handle 500+ AI models seamlessly. Whether you're tackling complex tasks or looking for a fast, responsive experience, this mini PC is up for the challenge. The Intel Core Ultra 9 processor ensures that you can run multiple applications at once, enhancing productivity across various tasks. The Intel Arc graphics on the GEEKOM GT1 Mega further elevates its capabilities. With a built-in Intel Arc integrated graphics card capable of up to 2.35 GHz, this PC is perfect for those who love to game or edit content. Ray tracing, Intel's CSS technology, and DirectX 12 Ultimate ensure that your games and creative projects come to life with stunning visuals. You can enjoy AAA games or photo/video editing with smooth, lag-free performance. For connectivity, the GT1 Mega Mini PC offers dual 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7, providing high-speed internet with seamless video conferencing, large file transfers, and gaming. The Bluetooth 5.4 enhances connectivity with peripherals, ensuring you have fast, stable data transfer. This setup makes the GT1 Mega an excellent choice for professional and home use, where fast internet and multitasking are crucial. When it comes to storage, the GT1 Mega provides an impressive 32GB DDR5 RAM that is 75% faster than the previous generation. It's upgradable to 64GB to keep up with your growing needs. The 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is lightning fast and ensures you can store and access your files without any delays. Additionally, you can add more storage with the dual M.2 slots, providing ample space for all your projects, games, and multimedia. If you're looking for a powerful mini PC that can handle gaming, business tasks, video editing, and much more, the GEEKOM GT1 Mega is an excellent choice. It combines high performance, excellent storage options, cutting-edge graphics, and versatile connectivity in a small, sleek package. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new mini PC experience.